While some indices like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq have already broken their all-time highs, the Dow Jones is still trying to break its all-time high. I'm Skeptic from Skeptic Lab, and in this video, I will explain the trigger I'm watching and give you a full breakdown of the current conditions. As always, let's start with the daily time frame to look at the bigger picture. After the sharp drop caused by tariffs hikes from the DJT, Donald Trump, we managed to fully recover and form a healthy uptrend. Right now, we are in a consolidation phase. Some might even call this an expanded triangle. Mm, if we just from this, yeah, it could be kind of expanded triangle pattern, but I'm not a fan of that view, so I'll keep it simple. Now let's jump into um, the 4 hour time frame for long and short trigger. First of all, we've already corrected down to the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci level of the previous uptrend, which isn't too deep. No need to move the resistance and higher because that would just increase our stop loss size unnecessarily. And for long, if we break above 45, I will open position with a stop loss under the shadow of this candle and the previous low. If we see another correction, we'll need to adjust the stop loss accordingly. And one thing to watch, the previous downtrend wave was very strong. See, with mostly red candles and a strong uh, steep drop, while the following upward moves has been weaker, and this increased risk for lungs, of course, because the uptrend shows some weakness inside the consolidation box we formed already. And however, if you break resistance with volume, RSI moving into overbought, and pivot point break, some at levels like one pivot point or two pivot point, um, that's a strong confirmation, and risk comes back to normal. Otherwise, manage risk. Um, and for short, I don't see any clear triggers right now. It's opposite of that high wave cycle, medium wave cycle. So short setups are riskier and not logical right now. As always, manage your capital, don't get caught in FOMO, and trade carefully. Peace.